Okay guys, finally, this is the last measure of central tendency, the median, okay? The median. So what is the median? Basically, is the number just at the middle, okay? Just at the middle of a data set when the numbers are arranged in order. So if we need to find the median by hand, manually, in this case, without using the calculator, we have two situations. When the dataset has we have an odd number of values, for example 1 2 3 4 5, is easier because what we need to do if we want to find the median is to arrange in order from the smallest one to the biggest one. So imagine that we are going to find the median of this dataset. So we have these values. We need to change the order to 2 3, then 5 7, and finally 9. Okay, once that we have the new order, we need to check what is the number just at the middle. And this is super easy when we have odd numbers of values, because we can verify that this number 5 is going to be the median, because we have 1 2 numbers on your left, 1 2 numbers on your right. So the number 5 is going to be the median. We can say the median equals 5. That's it. The same happens with this situation. We need to change the order and then to find the median. Okay, but what happens when we have even numbers? This is a little bit tricky, so pay attention with this, because the first step is going to be the same. We need to change the order from the smallest one to the biggest one. Okay, pay attention. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we have even numbers of values. So first we need to change the order, so we can start with the number 3, 6 7 9 12, what else, 15. Okay, this is the first step. Then what happens with this situation? Pay attention, if you want to say, okay, the number 9 is the median, what happens if this is the median? Well, this is incorrect, because we have 2 numbers here and 3 numbers here, so this is not just at the middle. So what can we do? Well, we need to find the average of the 2 middle numbers. So here we have this situation. We have 2 numbers just at the middle, because as you can see here we have 2 numbers, so the median has to be here between these 2 numbers. So in order to find the median, okay, we can say the median is the average between these 2 numbers. What is the average? The sum, 7 plus 9 divided by 2, the number of values. So this is 16 divided by 2, so it's 8. Okay, so the median has to be 8, and that's it. So remember, we have even numbers or odd numbers.